Hey there, fellow content creators. Today we're showing you how to add chapters to YouTube video. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your YouTube account. First things first, make sure you're logged into your YouTube account. Step 2. Access your video manager. Next, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio. Step 3. Choose the video you want to add chapters to. In YouTube Studio, navigate to Content on the left sidebar. Find the video you want to add chapters to and click on Details button. Step 4. Add chapters. Scroll down to the video description, and in the description, you can add timestamps and titles for each chapter. Step 5. Timestamp format. The timestamp format should be like this. 0 o'clock, and after zeros add chapter title. Then add all chapters like this. Step 6. Save changes. After you've added all your chapters, make sure to click the Save or Save Changes button to save your edits. And there you have it, folks. That's how you add chapters in YouTube video description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Fixmaster for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.